Their journey into the past started the summer of 2014 and ended here.
It's the fourth staging of the JIS Heritage Essay Competition.
Since that competition, the committee decided this year to add the poster competition.
We are here to celebrate and recognize the boldness, creativity, and the sharpness of our children. Let's invite for them a round of applause.
I'm that star up in the sky, I'm that mountain peak up high.
94 students from 51 schools responded to the challenge to explore and find the most significant heritage site and to share their vision of freedom through artistic expression. 10 completed the mission successfully and came forward to claim their prizes.
Congratulations to our finalists. We are pleased that our students are making the link between our past and present as a nation and are seeking to grasp their place in our nation's future.
Sir Patrick might have passed the age eligible for entry, but as guest speaker for the ceremony, the Governor General was ready to submit his essay about one of Jamaica's most important but often overlooked heritage sites.
Do you think King's House qualifies? It was built in 1872. It was destroyed by the 1907 earthquake. It was rebuilt and commissioned into action 1911 and has remained since.
Sir Patrick also encouraged the future historians.
I hope that your participation in the important essay and poster competition has inspired you, young people, to make your mark and to make your own contribution to our country. I want you always to believe in yourselves. You have done well.
No aspect of the arts was missing from the awards ceremony. And the time had come to ease the anxiety of the participants. They were first presented with certificates for their outstanding contributions to the competition.
Christopher, would you like to smile for the camera? Yes? No? Okay, he still looks adorable. Orion said Port Royal to me fits that description as the best. Port Charles and the Giddy House are some of the pieces of its past that are still with us today. Congratulations, Orion.
Alia said the most significant national heritage site is the National Heroes Park in Kingston. Taj said, why is Port Royal my most significant heritage site? Port Royal not only had a very exciting history, which several movie makers have used to make movies about Pirates of the Caribbean, but it still continues to be a very interesting place for Jamaicans and tourists to visit every year.
Jade said, my favorite national heritage site is not just one site, but a collection of them. This collection of sites is called the Emancipation Square in Spanish Town. Akelia said, as a child, we visited many heritage sites. I am fascinated by some and inspired by others.
Remarkable for creativity and use of language. Congratulations, Vivian. The most fabulous, fascinating, and significant site to me is centrally located in my parish. It was built by slaves using limestones and is the oldest building in Mandeville, the Mandeville Courthouse.
And then the poster category.
And in describing his poster, Giovanni says it's like the hands represent Jamaica and the breaking of the chain represents freedom.
He said, this poster shows how as a people we have pushed through our hardships.
My poster shows a lady reaching up to the sky with chains in the background and broken chains above her. The Jamaican map is also in the background.
This is Ryan's description of his poster. The poster was done with the use of the colors of the flag and depicts perfect freedom via the utilization of text and several images of people in a state of freedom.
He describes our poster with these words, my painting represents the bird flying away from all the captivity and burdens of the world.
And the moment came for the explorers to claim their bounty.
Let us announce the third place winner in this year's essay competition, Akelia Plummer. Now you can download the JIS app on that phone, Akelia. Second place winner in this year's essay competition goes to a young man from the Yalis Primary School, Mr. Michael Johnson.
The first place winner in the JIS Heritage Essay Competition is, drum roll please, Orion Isaacs from Jesse Ripple Primary.
He'll also receive $15,000 from the NCB Foundation. Mr. Lord Richardson will make that presentation. He'll also receive a weekend for 4 to FDR Resorts. Yes.
And now, the winners of the JIS Inaugural Heritage Poster Competition.
Third place winner, of course, is Giovanni Robinson.
The second place winner for the JIS Heritage Poster Competition is Ryan Scott from Woolmer's High. So the first place winner of the JIS Poster Competition is, and this time we have a fanfare of trumpets,
Gervais Mackenzie.
And the winners? Well, they were as happy as can be.
It feels wonderful to be third place because I know that all my hard work is paid off.
I'm so happy that I came second place because I put a lot of work in that essay.
I feel like a real champion. I wasn't expecting to win or to come third, but I'm very excited.
I had already applied for the Edna Manley College of the Arts and really elated to know that it is also a part of the awards that I have been given. I'm really happy. I'm thankful to the JIS for what they have done for me.
It's like undescribable. I'm just really happy right now. I had a feeling I was going to win, but this just kind of confirms it. It's just lovely right now.
The sponsors were equally pleased with the results of both competitions.
This type of competition, both your essay and your poster, I think really will help to promote the preservation of the heritage sites.
The depictions were awesome. And if at that tender age they can be so conscious of what freedom is all about, then I think things are looking bright for tomorrow.
I wish everybody could have seen what happened here today. The entries and the youngsters and just how they express themselves and how they've connected so well with our heritage.
One of the winners today got an award to attend a graphics program at Karimat during the summer. And so we see a competition like this helping us to recognize talent.
When I came and I saw the recipients and I saw the work, especially from the video presentation, wonderful, wonderful.
Kudos to JIS for putting on this competition.
Great talent exists, great skills, and we want to implore them to continue doing well. Good job by the JIS.
Look out for the competition in 2015.
Our essay competition entrants are being asked to write on the topic, "My life as my favorite national hero." The poster competition will focus on a moment in the life of a Jamaican hero.
So start researching and putting the pieces of the puzzle together. We look forward to see your work. You could be the next winner.